In this video, we will show you how to buy game on Steam. First, to buy game on Steam, in here, you need to open store.steampowered.com. Then you can find the game you like. For example, I like simulation game. You can browse by category here. Then, for example, we want to buy this game, The Hunter. Okay. Then you can click the add to cart button, okay, for the standard or the hunter for the bundle. Usually there are the standard version and the special version. I just want the standard. Add to cart. In here, if you want to continue to shopping, you can just click this, but in this case I just want to buy this game. You can click view my cart, and in here you can select continue to payment. If you have a Steam account, you can just input your name with the password, but in here we want to create a free account. And click continue. Okay, you need to open your mail address in here. Just open your mail. You can see here the Steam has been emailed to your email address. Just click verify my email address. Okay, the email is verified. Okay, we can back to our previous windows. Just select Steam account name, for example, where data like this. Okay, if not available, you can select another username or name, where data.com, for example. Okay, then you can choose a password. And click done. You can see here you need to enter at least 3 character long with use only A until Z or character underscore. We need replace the dot with underscore. Click done. Click never. You can see again on your card here. Select continue to payment. You can see there you can input your Visa. Okay, and if you want to save this card, you can tick this, but I suggest you don't ever save your card, okay, because it's very risky. Just untick this. If you can see here, there are payment method that maybe you want to use using Visa, MasterCard, and another, but of course we suggest you to untick this because this is for our security. After that, you can input your card number and the billing information. After you input the payment method and the billing information, you can just click continue. In here, you can tick the agree services and then click purchase. Okay, you need to install the Steam, so you can select no, I need Steam. If you don't have Steam on your computer, just click this and then you can click save and you can open the Steam and click next and click install and click run Steam. Okay, you can see there you can print the purchase receipt. In here, you successfully buy a game on Steam. After the Steam is installed, you need to wait. After that, we can log in into our Steam account. Just wait in here. As you can see, before you buy the game, it's better you need uh, the requirement, because if you buy the game but your PC requirement doesn't meet the minimum, you cannot play the game later. Okay, this is our name and this is our password, and click sign in. How to see the requirement on the game? Okay, while you open the store, okay, I will select store.steam again. You can see if you select for example, select the game like I select before, like this for example, you can see on the below usually there are spec requirement here. Okay, you can see there, and buy the game if your PC is meet the minimum requirement. Back to our Steam account, and the game that you has been buy is in here. Okay, and in here, to install the game, you can just click the install button and you can see the space required here. You can click install, and you don't see I don't have the enough for the space on the drive C. You can moving from another drive by clicking this, and you can see here there are add drive button. You can click this and you can move into another. And that's all tutorial how to buy game from Steam, and maybe the next video we will show you how to install the game. Hope this video helpful for you.